Most business owners have zero visibility is this bad habit of business owners to not keep their books of accounts clean and have the financial discipline. Then there is no chance you will ever build a stable and a successful business. पैसा पैसा नहीं बनाता है. Hi, my name is Rajiv Talreja, and as a business coach, I've worked with more than 25,000 businesses, decoding the patterns of the pitfalls that they are making and understanding the best practices that allow them to build scalable, profitable businesses that translate into massive personal wealth for themselves. And in this journey of handholding 25,000 businesses, what I've seen is that these are the top 5 mistakes that you need to avoid at all costs if you're serious about wealth creation through your business. So let's understand what those 5 mistakes are. Mistake number 1, not having a proper financial reporting system within your business. What do I mean by this? Most business owners see their numbers only at the end of the year, on the day they have to go to their auditor and agree upon how much tax do they want to file for that year. Most business owners have zero visibility on a day-to-day, on a week-to-week, and on a month-to-month basis about their cash flows, about their profits and losses. It is very important that as a business, you set up a dynamic reporting system where data is given to you on an ongoing basis so that you can make decisions in your business based on that data. So if you don't have a daily or a weekly cash flow statement that you are receiving from your accounts team, if you don't have a monthly profit and loss report or a project profit and loss statement, then you are playing blind, my friend. It's like you're going into a casino, going all in with your money on the table without even seeing your cards. Then you're not building a business, you're actually gambling. Not having a reporting system is the number 1 mistake that you as a business owner need to avoid at all costs if you're serious about building a financially sound business and actually creating wealth for yourself through this journey. The second biggest mistake business owners make, which is detrimental to their financial well-being, is not keeping their books of accounts clean. What do I mean by that? If there is one complaint that I have with micro, small and medium enterprise business owners, is that they take their finances for granted and they abuse the money that comes into their system and ruin their own financial credibility. If you are going to be defaulting on your taxes, if you're going to be allowing your checks to bounce, you're going to be defaulting on your EMI obligations, and you're going to be using your business money for your personal expenses, then only you are to blame. Do not bite more than you can chew. Do what you have said and say what you can do. Do not overpromise and then land yourself in embarrassing situations which ruins your credit score. Please keep your accounts clean. Please keep your credibility clean. That is what will give you the leverage in the long run. Even if you need an infusion of funds, you don't become eligible for it because of the haphazard manner in which you abuse your accounts. So make sure you keep your books of accounts clean. Make sure you keep a clean credibility score and not bite more than what you can chew, which will land you up in this embarrassing situation. Which brings me to the third big mistake you need to avoid when it comes to financial management in your business. And the third big mistake I see a lot of business owners making is that they treat their money as the business's money and the business's money as their personal money. Look, if you don't have a clear bifurcation between what is the business's money and what is your personal money, then you're going to land yourself in a massive trap which will neither allow your business to grow nor allow you to build your personal portfolio and assets. Business owners who have this philosophy of treating their personal money as business's money fall into the trap of constantly reinvesting back all their earnings in the business and deprive themselves and their family of creating an opportunity of building wealth to creating assets outside the business. And business owners who treat the business's money as their personal money end up exploiting the financial resources of the business in fulfilling their personal fantasies and ruin the working capital of their business in the long run. Please make sure that you treat yourself and your business as 2 separate entities. You are an individual, your business is an enterprise, and have the financial discipline for personal income management and business finance management. If you collapse the both, you are going to be ruining your peace of mind and the peace of mind of your business as well. So that's the third big mistake to avoid. Keep your business finances separate from your personal finances. Which brings me to the fourth financial mistake business owners commit in their journey of building a business. And according to me, this fourth one is one of the biggest one. The fourth financial mistake that business owners make in their journey of building their business is they do not invest money in things that are necessary for the growth of their business. For example, I have seen business owners avoid hiring people because they look at hiring as an expense, whereas the truth is hiring is an investment. I have seen business owners not investing money in building systems to set up processes in their business because they look at that as a cost. I have seen businesses not investing money in strategies for growth and struggling in month-to-month firefighting and survival. Look, if you're not going to invest money in teams, systems, and strategies, then there is no chance you will ever build a stable and a successful business. And investing is different from cost cutting and saving. Do not be cheap on your way to greatness. Do not be petty towards what is necessary in the name of cost cutting and saving. You cannot build a successful business if you don't have the basic infrastructure in the form of team, system, and strategy for your business. So spending money on your team, system, and strategy is not an expenditure, it is an investment. Only those who understand this build a successful business. Those who don't remain stuck in their mediocrity, in their struggles, and in their fight for month-to-month survival. Now I understand that the confidence to invest money in team, system, and strategy will come only if you have the conviction that hiring, systemizing, and strategizing will give you growth. And that conviction will come only if you have the required skills for creating strategies for profitability and scale. Only if you have the required capability of setting up systems that will give you a predictable result in every single department. And only if you have this capability to hire the right people, delegate work effectively, appraise salaries scientifically, develop your team members to perform to the optimum of their capability, and fire the wrong people. Before you put money, you need to have conviction, and for conviction, you need to have capability. And if you feel you don't have the conviction today in investing in team, systems, and strategy, that is probably because you lack the capability of building team, system, and strategy. So here is my invitation to you. I want you to invest 3 days of your life in my signature program called the Business P.A.C.E program, where in those 3 days, I break down for you people management skills, I break down for you functional management systems, and I break down for you strategies for growing your business. The 3-day Business P.A.C.E program has been attended by more than 25,000 business owners since April 2016, and they've used the P.A.C.E system in optimizing the performance of their existing business and scaling up the opportunity for their business. So click on the link below, register yourself for the 3 days Business P.A.C.E program. We have an exclusive offer running for those who click on the link and register today. So make sure you take that benefit of that offer. Those 3 days will change the way you build your business and it transform your life forever. Which brings me to the fifth and final financial mistake that business owners need to avoid at all costs. The fifth and final financial mistake that business owners need to avoid at all costs is to have the mindset that money will make them money and constantly land up in the trap of debt by going on borrowing money recklessly just because they are able to get the money. Look, borrowing money is not the solution to your problems. Many business owners, when I'm in conversation with them, tell me, Rajiv, if I get someone to invest money or if I get someone to lend me some money, then I can solve my problems. Nobody on this planet has ever solved problems by throwing money at the problem. Throwing money at the problem is actually throwing fuel on the fire and making the fire bigger. Think about it. Money does not make you money in business. Capability makes you money in business. If you don't have the capability of building teams, systems, and strategies, and your current strategies are outdated, your systems are broken, and your teams are incapable, and you are going to borrow money and invest in a business where the strategy, systems, and teams are not up to the mark, then you're not going to solve your problems. You're going to multiply your problems and bury yourself under layers of debt trap. At the end of the day, if you really want to solve your problems, you got to grow your capability of building the right strategy, the right system, and the right teams. And if you'd like to grow that capability, I've already extended my invitation to you to be a part of my 3-day business space program where you will learn the skills of building team system strategy. Remember this, पैसा पैसा नहीं बनाता है, काबिलियत पैसा बनाता है. In business, money does not make money. Capability makes money. Money makes money for investors. You are a business owner. Build your capability, which will make you money. That's what will give you the confidence to invest in team, system, and strategy. So invest those 3 days with me, and I look forward to seeing you at the Business Space program. I hope you found value in this video. I don't want you to end your learning journey here. After completing your registration for the Business Space program, in the link mentioned below, I want you to watch this video where I share 6 proven profit maximization strategies which can help your business make more money from your existing customers. So click on the link, register yourself for the Business Space program, and then continue your learning by watching this video on 6 proven profit maximization strategies.